Acquisitive is an adjective that describes a strong desire to acquire and possess material goods, knowledge or power, often to an excessive degree. Origins: the word comes from the Latin acquisitivus, derived from acquirere, to acquire, or gain. It entered English in the early 17th century, maintaining its association with greed or eagerness for accumulation. Explanation and usage: acquisitive is often used to describe individuals, businesses or societies that are highly focused on obtaining wealth, possessions or influence. It can have a negative connotation when implying greed or materialism. Example sentences: his acquisitive nature drove him to amass a vast fortune. Children can be naturally acquisitive, always wanting new toys and gadgets. Cultural significance: the term is frequently used in discussions of consumerism, capitalism, and corporate expansion. It reflects the human tendency to seek more, sometimes at the expense of ethics or satisfaction. Synonyms: greedy, having an excessive desire for material gain. Materialistic, focused on possessions and wealth. Covetous, eagerly desiring something, often belonging to another. Antonyms: content, satisfied with what one has. Generous, willing to share or give freely. Altruistic, concerned more with others than oneself. And key takeaway: acquisitive describes an intense drive to gain wealth, possessions, or knowledge. While it can reflect ambition, it is often used to critique excessive materialism or greed.